Subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the description box for more information. I'm a big fan of gift giving. I love to give people their flowers while they can enjoy them. Not too long ago, my brother said he wanted a sneaker candle for his grave. I couldn't have that. I gotta give it to him right now.
Oh, this is dope. This thing heavy too. They talking about some Glad, no Glad. They tell all wax. Oh, that shit fire. Thanks, sister.
You're welcome.
I don't even want to burn it. I'm just gonna keep it.
All right.
Yeah,
It's so beautiful. Cool. It's really like it looked online. That's like the first shit that really looked real. Wow. Spin it around.
Like my side too. Look at it.
You about to...
Oh, not quite. That's cool as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, good texture on there for real, like the whole real shoe for real. That's tight. Thanks, sister.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Comment, share, like, and subscribe.